This YouTube channel called MN Crime hosts police body cam videos from Minnesota. They started a year ago and now get 5 million views a month. With a $5 CPM, they could make $225,000 a month, or about $1,000 a day. Another channel, Code Blue Cam, gets over 19 million views a month. With the same $5 CPM, they could make $95,000 a month, or over $3,000 a day, just from ad revenue. This doesn't even include high payout partners that could double their earnings. Body cam videos are a great niche to start on YouTube without showing your face because there's low competition, but high views and earnings. These videos are long, and people watch until the end, giving them a lot of watch time. In this video, you'll learn how to get and make body cam videos to earn the most money from them. Let's get started. Code Blue Cam has over 2 million subscribers and 250 videos. They have a simple profile picture, banner, and username. You can do the same. Use ChatGPT to generate YouTube channel names by giving this simple prompt, and customize your YouTube channel. Next, you need to find the body cam footage from the police department. Do not copy and paste the exact video from YouTube. First, take permission from the department under FOIA. Now, you might be thinking, what is FOIA? FOIA stands for the Freedom of Information Act. It is a law that gives the public the right to access information from the federal government. I'll show you how to get permission. Go to YouTube and search for body cam footage US Police. Find any channel and choose the video you want. After that, look for their email ID or contact information and send them an email with details about the video you want. I'm providing this email mockup in the description. You will get a reply within 48 hours from that channel, so you can easily use their videos without any copyright issue. Once you have the footage, it's time to edit. Use any video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. I'm using CapCut today. Click on New Project and import everything onto the timeline. First, add an intro explaining the situation without giving away spoilers to keep viewers watching. For example, you can write an intro using the video title. Use a text-to-speech tool like 11labs.io. Just paste the intro text, select a suitable voice, and download the audio. Now click on Add Text and paste the intro, adjust the size of the text, and add some animations. At the end, mention what the person was charged with and ask viewers to subscribe. Be sure to bleep any swearing and blur sensitive content. Now, add some background music. Lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the dialogue, then export the video.
On January 25th, police dealing with entitled citizens in public.
We'll talk about it outside. Disruptive, decided to speak my mind. Okay. I knew it. I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
The accused charged $500 and 2 years in jail after found guilty.
That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.